Your iPhone is capable of so much more than you're actually using. Today I'm showing you 10 hidden in plain sight features that you probably didn't know existed. From live widgets and color-coded passwords to even a secret document scanner, most of these are not new, but they may be new to you. Let's dive in. Let's start with a tool you use every day. You can stop downloading conversion apps and searching Google every time you travel. Your iPhone has a hidden power tool built right into the calculator that handles over 100 currencies with live, near real-time rates. Open your calculator, tap that little icon in the top right corner, and toggle on Convert. Now just type in your US dollars and watch it transform instantly into British pounds or any other currency on the planet. No websites, no extra apps. It's already built into your iPhone. There are also 15 unit categories that cover over 200 individual units and currencies, which you can find by swiping the carousel at the top of the selection menu. And you can return to the basic calculator by tapping the Convert option again. Did you know that this same app also includes math notes? And you can create what-if scenarios for calculations just by typing in your math expression along with the equal sign, then tap the number in the equation that you want to vary, tap the Adjust button, and now you have a slider or scrubber that allows you to drag it left or right to increase or decrease the value. And for you advanced users, iOS 26 now supports interactive 3D graphs that update live as you modify the formula. You also still have the scientific calculator at your fingertips as well. This app is more powerful than you may have realized. Ever wanted to share a friend's phone number without accidentally leaking their entire life story? We've all been there. You want to send Joe's number, but the standard share contact button sends his home address, birthday, even his kids' names. You could manually copy and paste, but that's way too many steps. Instead, next time you're on a message, don't leave the app. Just long press in the text field, tap AutoFill, and select Contacts. Find Joe, tap his number, and boom, it drops directly into the text bubble. It's the fastest, cleanest way to share exactly what you want and nothing you don't. No copying, no pasting, no privacy leaks. Sharing phone numbers is easy, but reading passwords can be a struggle, which is why this next high visibility trick is a lifesaver. In the Passwords app, if you long press a password, you can copy it. But if you need to be able to read it with a larger font, select Show in Large Type from the pop-up menu. And now the password is presented to you in a large type with high contrast, using letters, numbers, and symbols all in different colors for readability. This is great for those times when you have no way to copy and paste a password into another device. If these tips are helping you, click that subscribe button. It's free to do. You can actually apply that same clarity to any physical document using this hidden reader mode. It's buried deep inside the magnifier app, and it's a total game changer for menus, documents, or mail. Here's how to unlock it. Open the magnifier app, tap the settings gear at the bottom left, and add capture mode to your controls. Tap the documents icon, hold your phone steady over any page and let it scan. And instead of saving the file, tap the reader button. Instantly, your iPhone strips away the clutter and presents the text into a crystal clear, high contrast view. And best of all, just click the play button at the bottom and your iPhone will read the entire document aloud to you. Pretty cool, right? Taking the work out of reading is great, but let's take the work out of dialing with the return of a classic feature, T9 Predictive Search. If you remember old flip phones and how you used to text with a keyboard, you'll love this. They call this T9 dialing, short for text on 9 keys. It's a predictive technology originally developed in the late 90s to make typing easier on mobile phones. On iPhones, you can spell a person's name using the number pad in the phone app instead of searching your contact list. To call Ken, you would simply type 536 and the predictive matching will instantly pop it up at the top of the keypad for you to tap and call. That's a lot easier than looking up the contact. I'm sharing this next tip because it was bugging me. Let me know if this is something you use. There are certain iPhone features that Apple sets as default. One of these features is Reachability, which allows you to reach the top of the screen when using your iPhone one-handed by swiping down on the bottom edge of the screen. However, when I reached for Spotlight Search or made accidental swipes, this Reachability feature would inadvertently trigger. So here's how to turn it off. It's located in Settings under Accessibility, Touch, and Reachability. If you never seem to use this, or if it annoys you like it did me, toggle this feature off. Now let's use 2 fingers to clear out your inbox in record time. This is the fastest way to clean up your inbox. In Mail, Messages, or Notes, instead of tapping Select and then selecting circles one by one, drag 2 fingers down the list of items. It will automatically check every box your fingers pass over. It's a massive time saver for deleting old emails or texts. Did you know you could transform any app into a live widget with a long press? Whether it's fitness, calendar, weather, or notes, if you want to see them at a glance but you don't want to open them up and you don't want to go to the Add Widget menu, just long press any of these Apple icons that supports the widgets. In the menu, you'll see 3 or 4 icons that represent different widget sizes. Tap one and the app icon instantly transforms into a live widget right there where it's sitting. Try this on numerous apps just to see what works best for you. Your home screen looks great, so let's make your files look good by turning entire web pages into perfectly formatted PDFs. When you take a screenshot on a website in Safari, don't just save the visible part. Take the screenshot, tap Full Page, then here's the important step. Click the check mark and select Save PDF to Files. This converts the entire long-form website into a single PDF that you can scroll, mark up, save it to your Files app. Finally, let's take all that iPhone power to your wrist with a custom artistic watch face. Stop using the same boring watch faces as everyone else. You can actually turn any photo on your phone into a one-of-a-kind animated kaleidoscope for your Apple Watch. Just open any photo, hit the share icon, and select Create Watch Face. You can preview it here. Choose the kaleidoscope option, and your iPhone uses AI to mirror the colors and shapes of the photo into a stunning, shifting design. I had fun creating several of these recently, and you can do this too. This one, for example, is from a stained glass photo. This one is from a Christmas ornament, and this one is from a drink coaster. It's the easiest way to give your watch a high-end, custom designer look in seconds. Since the weather outside has been frightful for so many, and there's no place to go, you can let it snow with this app Easter egg. This hidden gem is inside the Apple Store app. Type in Let It Snow in the search bar, and during your entire online shopping experience, you'll see it snow across your screen. There you go. 11 things you may not have known before, but now you do. Which ones are new to you? Let me know in the comments below. I appreciate all the likes and subscribes. You're very encouraging. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button. It's free to do. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.